દિલ્હીમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
Friends, good morning. In this class, we will study cyclic quadrilateral. About the cyclic quadrilateral, in class 9th, chapter number 10th. In chapter number 10th, cyclic quadrilateral is given in the last of 10.5. But the cyclic quadrilateral means 10.5 is the target of whole chapter. Target means whatever 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, all are fundamentals to prove the questions of 10.5 and in 10.5 cyclic quadrilateral. So this is the chart which I generally used in my other videos about the quadrilaterals. This is the quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals have two types based on the adjacent sides and based on the opposite sides. So opposite sides, here is the trapezium. In my earlier videos, you may say the link is given in the description. Here isosceles trapezium. Only trapezium. Opposite side, one pair opposite sides. Then isosceles trapezium. One pair is opposite sides, but rest nothing, no informations. So I have written 0 in front of this. 0 means quadrilateral, only 4 sides. In class 6 it is taught about what is polygon. Polygon, simple closed figure having 4 number of sides is called polygon. So this is the only definitions, no special, only 4 sides. So that's why now the specification is start in this one kite, and in this one first trapezium and then isosceles trapezium. Okay, then isosceles means trapezium is divided in 2 parts, parallelogram and isosceles trapezium. Then parallelogram is divided in 2 parts. One is rhombus and then another is rectangle. And then rectangle can be changed in the square and rhombus can be changed in the square. So this was whole in class 8th also, in chapter number quadrilateral chapter. Okay, but here I have not written all the quadrilaterals. Why? Because I am teaching here only cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is cyclic, means what does it mean? A quadrilateral is there. And quadrilateral is changed in a circle. It changed means an outer part, suppose it has been changed in a wheel. So that is called cyclic. You can change just like in axles, in tire axles, spikes are there. Similarly here. So that is called cyclic quadrilateral. Or you may say circle outside, and cyclic quadrilateral is inscribed. Okay, cyclic quadrilateral means cycle is outside. In class 10th you will be taught about tangential quadrilateral. In class 10th, same number of topic, tangential quadrilateral. There what happens? There happens like that. Quadrilateral is there, tangential quadrilateral, and the circle is inside of the quadrilateral. So that is a different thing. This is called tangential quadrilateral and this is called cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so cyclic quadrilateral. So general things, cyclic quadrilateral, what does it mean? What is the conditions? How can you say that this is the cyclic quadrilateral or not? So it is given in your book cyclic quadrilateral theorem 10.1, 10.11, 10.12. The sum of either pair of opposite sides, opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. And then this one, what does it mean? Means because it is a quadrilateral, so isosceles trapezium means these one pair of parallel sides, but these are the parallel but not equal, and another opposite pairs, these are equal but not parallel. Just like in parallelogram, opposite sides, one pair parallel and also equal. So that's why, you know, this one condition means this was the trapezium. One condition means only one pair of opposite sides is parallel. After that, two conditions I have written. Two conditions means kite have two conditions, parallelogram have two conditions, two pairs of opposite sides. Parallelogram, that is a definition. Okay, so here two conditions, one is parallel and one is equal. So isosceles trapezium. After that, this is the three means here this is the kite, this is the rhombus. Actually rhombus and rectangle have included three conditions. The detail has been taught in your quadrilateral chapters. Link is given in the description. And after that, four means square has four characteristics. In class 7th, it was taught about square has four types of rotational symmetry, and axial symmetry was also four types. So that's why in square, so this was the quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral. The condition is what? Condition is about the cycle and the quadrilateral. Condition is such that it is given in your book. If you take any 4 points, no specification which is parallel, which is equal or not. Suppose you have taken, this was the center and you have taken 4 points, any 4 points. You may say 4 radius also. 4 radius, this 4 radius, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And suppose the point is A, B, C and D. So the condition is sum of the opposite angles, means angle A and angle C. Sum of the opposite angle is equal. It is given. Sum of the opposite angle is given. Angle A plus angle C. Angle A plus angle C is equal to angle B plus angle D. And obviously, because all the sum of all internal angles is 360, so half is equal to 180 degree. In your book, in theorem 10.11, it is written the sum of either pair of opposite angles, either pair means you may take A and C or B and D. Only two pairs of opposite things are there. So either pair of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. 180 degree means you may say same is also. Okay. And in class 10th you will be taught about this type of when circle is inside and quadrilateral is outside. So you will be taught about sum of the opposite side is equal, means that will be AB plus CD. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Sum of the opposite sides, then quadrilaterals can be formed outside of the circle. But here inside of the circle quadrilateral, that is called cyclic quadrilateral. Inside of the circle. Or just you write here, inside of circle, a quadrilateral which is inside of circle. Inscribed This is also called inscribed circle, inscribed quadrilateral. Inscribed. Okay. Cyclic or inscribed. SCRIBED. Inscribed means inside formed. Inscribed quadrilateral. Okay. So what are the quadrilaterals which can be formed inside of this circle? So this is the general case. But where does this general case hold? So this was the general quadrilateral. So this was the condition.